Hi, I'm Sara from Webking Solutions. We receive many queries from clients saying our emails suddenly stopped working after changing the domain or shifting hosting. What should we do? So let's understand why this happens and how to fix it smoothly. When you change your domain provider, website hosting, or DNS settings, your email services may stop working if important records like MX, SPF, DKIM, or SMTP configurations are not updated properly. This can lead to issues such as emails not being received, outgoing emails failing, or messages going into spam. The first step is to check whether your MX records are correctly pointing to your email provider, such as Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zoho Mail, or your hosting mail server. Even a small DNS mistake can interrupt all business communication. Next, verify SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to ensure your emails are authenticated and trusted by other mail servers. This helps prevent delivery failures and protects your domain from spoofing or spam-related issues. Also, if your website hosting was changed, make sure your old email accounts, mailbox data, and server settings were migrated properly. Sometimes emails stop simply because the mail server connection details were changed during migration. At Webking Solutions, we recommend choosing a trusted provider for domain, hosting, and business email services to avoid email issues after migration or DNS changes. We offer secure hosting, domain registration, professional email setup, DNS configuration, and complete technical support for Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zoho Mail, and custom hosting solutions. If your email stopped working after a domain or hosting change, contact Webking Solutions on the given number or email. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Webking Solutions for more useful technical tips.